Welcome back everyone to another video. This is Vilpi and today I have the recently launched Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition here for the unboxing. So this is the continuation of the S20 Fan Edition, which we had it in 2020. So Samsung tries to give this kind of option which is a little bit cheaper compared to the more premium lineup of that year, but offers the same very similar specs and also same user experience. This version that I have is 128 gigabytes of storage and comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM. You can go up to 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. In Europe, this phone costs around 780 euros, which is quite expensive, I would say, compared to the category and the prices that are available for other competitors. But that's what it is. And it has four colors. I have the lavender color, but you can also get it with the graphite, white, or olive color. Inside the box, there is no charger coming. We only have this SIM card ejection tool, and also there is this USB Type-C cable for the both sides that you can use to charge your phone, and it supports up to 25 fast charging, and it's supposed to charge your phone from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. That's what has been advertised, and it is around 177 grams. It's not heavy, it's not light, it's a very standard size, I would say, and weight for this size of phone. So let's remove the plastic and have a look at the device. First thing that I can say by seeing this compared to the S20 Fan Edition from 2020 is that I feel this phone feels just a little bit more premium. In terms of material used to build this phone, so we have Gorilla Glass in front. It's a 6.4-inch AMOLED display. We have aluminum frame and we have plastic in the back. So that plastic in the back definitely feels like plastic. So it's not like some other phone that feels like glass. It feels like plastic. And we have buttons on the right side, quite clicky ones. And then we have the USB Type-C port at the bottom, SIM card slot, the speaker, and at the left side we have nothing, and at the top we have only one other microphone. And as you can see, this is the back of the phone. So it's very smooth, very, I would say, plastic look and feel to it, but it's okay. I'm not sure if for this price point is okay, but it's okay. I think for most of the people, especially if you're using case, it should be fine. As you can see, we have this new camera bump here. It's the new design that we also saw in S21 lineup, but this is different. It's part of the back of the phone. It's not in any way attached, or at least looks like attached to the frame of the phone. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. I just don't like this specific design of the back of the phone with this color. And here we have the phone. So I booted it up. In terms of display quality, as always, I've been saying it's Samsung and it's really, really good. It's bright, the colors are punchy, and the display quality is top notch. So we have a, as I mentioned, 6.4-inch AMOLED display, which supports 120 Hz refresh rate. It has HDR10 Plus, and let's have a look at the software. So in the box, you get the Android 12, and that's very good. And you also have the new One UI, which is the version 4. And for the battery, we have 4500 milliampere. So it is a good battery, but could have been a little bit bigger. I really like to see like 5000 on this S20 Fan Edition ones. But let's see if for next year we get anything bigger than that. And for the display, as you can see, we can decide between the standards and the 120 Hz refresh rate. And I believe it's not the LTPO version. That means it changes only to 120 hertz or the regular one. So there is no like 1 or 2 hertz depending on where you are. So it doesn't change dynamically. But overall, I think this is a good phone. Maybe a little bit highly priced because I just don't know where it sits in terms of competition. There are like better phones, I would say, in this price category, or even cheaper. You can go with Pixel 6, for example, or even the OnePlus 9 Pro, which you can get it with very similar price nowadays. So let me know what you think. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you have any question, just drop them down in the comments and I try to get back to you whenever possible. Thanks for watching and until the next one.